how would still working on our goals help?
So I'll say this again, this goal setting workshop is probably only 10 or 15% money. The rest of it is about our relationships, our meaningful relationships around us, our travel, our contribution, how we give back to the universe, our health, which is, we've learned if nothing else over the past few years how important and valuable our health is, because without that, nothing else matters if we don't have our health. So, I think this is an important exercise that we're going to be doing. I think it's for everyone, whether you're full-time in real estate or whether you're dual career. I don't think that this matters. This is really about, again, creating your desired life and helping to guide and setting boundaries. This is because the thing is, if you're very clear about what it is that you want, it's going to be easy to say no to things that aren't aligned with what your goals are.